Hi everyone. Today, our group will be presenting our analysis on website optimization using A/B testing. This presentation has been prepared as a part of the MIS 5308 Social and Web Analytic Unit. We will walk through the business problem we were identified, the analytics evidence behind it, the experiment design, and finally our results and recommendation. Now I'm proceeding our second slide, business problem. To begin with, we identified the key business problems related to low conversation performance on a critical web page. Although the website receives sufficient traffic and a large number of users drop off before completing the intended action, this indicates that the issue is not traffic volume, but users' experience and design friction, which makes it suitable case for optimization using A/B testing. Now we discuss about the another slide, analytic evidence. To support this problem, we analyzed several web analytic metrics such as conversation rate, bonus rate, exit rate, and the session behavior. These metrics clearly showed where users were deciding. Instead of relying on assumptions, we used the data to identify the exact problem in the user journey where improvements was needed. Now proceed the next slide, analytic evidence. The problem statement and KPIs. Based on the analytic findings, we defined our problems as a below average conversation rate on the selected page. Our primary KPI for the project is the conversation rate. We also consider secondary KPIs such as click-through rate and the time spent on the page, along with gradual metrics to ensure that any improvement does not negatively end user experience. Then discuss about hypothesis. Next, we developed clear and testable hypothesis uses as it then becomes structural. The idea was to link specific design or content charts to measurable user behavior outcome. This helped us to ensure that the experiment was focused, logical, and measurable. Now for the next slide, my another group member will discuss the another slide, Ms. Guneet Kaur. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Now I'm going to discuss the another few slides. So the slide 6 is all about the A and B testing design. To test our hypothesis, we used an A and B testing approach. Version A represent that existing web page and act as a control. So the next slide is about the traffic splits and the randomization. Use the traffic was randomly split between the version A and the version B. This randomization is important because it reduces bias and ensure that both versions are tested on a similar types of the users. The next slide is based on the sample size and the test duration. So here we are consider sample size and the test duration to ensure statistically validity. The experiment was planned to run long enough to collect the sufficient data. A significance level of 5% was used, which is standard in digital experimentations. The next slide is all about the test execution and simulations. In case where live testing was not possible, we use the simulated data that reflects realistic user behavior patterns. We applied data cleaning and validation checks to ensure accuracy and the reliability. The next slide is all about the results and the overview. Now, moving to the results, we are compared version A and version B. We observed a clear improvement in the primary KPI for the variation. Importantly, the secondary and the metrics remain stable. So the next few slides are discovered by my are going to present by my another group member, Kirandeep Kaur.
Hi, I'm Kirandeep Kaur. Now I'm presenting a statistical significance. This confirmed that the tested change had two meaningful impacts on user behavior. Go to next slide. Interpretations and limitation. While the results are positively, there are some limitations and acknowledged. These including the test durations, simple size, and potential seasonal effects. Go to the next slide. Ethical considerations. They ensure that the optimization strategy and responsibility analytic ethical standards. Recommendations. Go to next slide. Recommendations. Based on the finding our recommendation, rolling out the various controlled the manners. We are also suggest running additionally A/B testing for the performance and tests other elements of the user's journey. So at the end of the conclusions, to conclude this group project domestic, how A/B testing can be used as a powerful data-driven approach to website optimization by the advanced strategy experimentations and ethical considerations. We were also to generate sites. Thank you, and all the references at the end of. Thank you.